Today I'm going to show you how to create a photography website in Squarespace step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right template, organize your portfolio, upload your images, and build a clean contact page that helps turn visitors into clients. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and the subscribe for more website and creator tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Squarespace templates store. Once you're there, use the filter options and select photography. This is the easiest way to narrow down the template library to designs that already fit a visual brand. For a photography website, you want a layout that puts your images first because your photos should be the main focus of the site. When you're browsing templates, look for a clean, minimalist design. Try to choose a template that gives your gallery images plenty of space and avoids heavy text panels or cluttered sections. A strong photography website should feel elegant, simple, and easy to navigate. Once you find a design you like, click Start with this design to begin building your site. Before you upload anything, make sure your gallery images are prepared correctly. Export your photos as SRGB JPEG files. This is important because SRGB is the standard color profile for web display, which helps your images look consistent across different screens and devices. JPEG is also a great format for website performance because it balances image quality and file size. Now let's move into the site structure. In Squarespace, go to the left navigation panel and click Website. Then click Pages. This is where you'll build the main sections of your website. Next, click the plus icon next to main navigation and select Portfolio. This creates a dedicated area for displaying your photography work. Once the portfolio section is added, name it based on the type of work you want to showcase. For example, you could call it portraits, weddings, landscapes, or any other category that matches your brand. Naming your sections clearly helps visitors quickly understand what type of photography you offer. After that, click Edit on your new portfolio layout page. Then open the Manage Items pop-up box so you can upload your prepared photos. This is where you start building the actual gallery content for your website. Add your best images first and try to choose a set that feels consistent in style and quality. As you upload, think about the visual flow of the page. If your images include both vertical and horizontal orientations, you may want to adjust the display style for a more polished look. Click the pencil icon in the corner of your section and then change the grid from a static layout to a Masonry layout. Masonry is a great choice for photography sites because it allows images of different shapes and sizes to stack naturally, creating a more dynamic and professional presentation. Now let's add a contact page, which is one of the most important parts of a photography website. Go back to the Pages menu, click the plus icon and choose Blank Page. Give it a name like Contact or Book a Session. This page gives potential clients a clear way to reach you, ask questions, or book your services. Once the blank page is created, click Edit, then choose Add Section and select a contact section. Squarespace gives you built-in section options that make it easy to add a contact form, email details, and other ways for people to get in touch. Make sure the contact page is simple, direct, and easy to use. At this point, you can also check your navigation and make sure your portfolio and contact page are both easy to find. A photography website should feel intuitive so visitors can view your work and contact you without confusion. Keep the layout clean, maintain consistent spacing, and let your images do the heavy lifting. And that's it. You've now taken the first major steps toward creating a professional photography website in Squarespace. You chose a photography-focused template, prepared your images correctly, built a portfolio section, adjusted your gallery display, and added a contact page for bookings and inquiries. From here, you can keep refining the site, add more portfolio categories, and customize your branding to match your style. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of photography website you're building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.